my god.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fulton County in northwestern Ohio until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wauseon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wauseon, Archbold, Swanson, Delta, Metamora, Oakshade, Tedrow, Braley, Pettisville, Winnemic, Outakie, and Assumption. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fulton, Ohio.
Crap, I need to get the things inside.